So guys, I just pulled over. Now we're gonna go for a grocery run, but I had to talk about this coffee. I'm not usually a very picky person. I just need a coffee, a little bit milk, ice, and I'm good to go. Just need that energy from it. Not a very taste fan person, but whenever I get my nails done, I always grab a coffee from them. They're really good because, you know, after you have a sip, you literally get the aftertaste as roasted beans. Usually it's always like bitterness that you can taste, but this is really good. Anyways, talking about the groceries, I'm going to focus on some veggies, sources of protein, and also kind of carbs that I usually consume. So we're going to just quickly grab that. Whenever I have to pick some meats or veggies, fruits, I always come myself, and then that's when I do it. Otherwise, usually I always order it online. So guys, talking about food, these are the things that I follow, and these things really help me a lot. Whatever suits you, whatever makes your life easier, do it that way. For me, I'm a very lazy person. Very lazy. I don't enjoy cooking. I want to just get done with it. I want a cooked meat which is not raw, which I can just swallow, and I'm good with that. I'm not a fan of flavors. I don't get bored with food. I can eat the same breakfast for like a month. I'm okay with that. And that actually helps me a lot because it's very easy to track. When you have the same recipe that you're eating every day, it's very easy to calculate your macros and your calories. Also, it's easy to cook because I don't try different recipes. There are some very basic ways I cook chicken and eggs, and that's it. I'm good to go. That has really helped me a lot. So now I wasn't doing that from past 2-3 weeks. I was just trying my best to roughly calculate my calories here and there, and it's not helping me. So now from this week onwards, for the next 3 weeks, I'm already halfway in my weight loss journey. For the next 3 weeks, I'm going to be very strict, very particular. So cooking the same meal every day or eating the same recipe every day, it really makes my life easy. But if you are someone who enjoys cooking food with different ingredients, good for you, do that. So for me, it's just chicken breast, salt, pepper, and some Indian spices. Cook it, and then I will just bake some potato, and that's it. I'm good. Obviously, 1 or 2 veggies with it. I'm not a veggie person. I literally force myself to eat vegetables. I am not a veggie person. I am trying. I'm trying my best. I've started. I was really bad at it, but now I'm getting better each day. So yeah, that's fine. Now let's go in. So guys, here are all the items that I shopped today. I think strawberries are missing. My toddler took it from me. But I'm going to give you a quick overview why all these items are on my grocery list, and it should be on yours too. So starting with sources of carbohydrate. मैं हमेशा कोशिश करती हूँ कि मैं complex carbs खरीदूँ, complex carb consume करूँ, ना कि processed carbs. Processed carbs are like white bread, white rice, maida. Those are all processed carbs. Complex carbs are something that has more fiber in it. Brown bread, multigrain bread, whole wheat bread, whole meal bread. इनमें और processed carbs में फ़र्क ये है कि इनमें fiber content ज़्यादा होता है, ये कम processed किए होते हैं और इनमें nutrition value ज़्यादा होती है. ये जब खाए जाते हैं तो अपनी blood sugar spike नहीं होती है compared to when you're eating processed carbs. Carbs that I got today is multigrain buns. Oats, me and my toddler, we love eating oats for breakfast. I love sourdough bread, very high in fiber and protein. Multigrain bread, my toddler loves it, multigrain bread. हम लोग white bread घर पे बिल्कुल consume नहीं करते हैं. And then I have some sweet potato. Try switching your potatoes with sweet potato. Again, they are rich in nutrition. Next, we are moving on to sources of protein. Now, I'm a non-vegetarian. I have a lot of sources of protein, but veg people should consciously add more protein into their diet. Jabki fruits and vegetables are very important for your health, but so is protein. So starting with my favorites is Greek yogurt. I love dairy items. Yogurt, lassi, milk. I love eating dairy products. So, but recently I switched to Greek yogurt, and it is a really good substitute because in 100 grams you get 9 grams of protein and only 50 calories. A very good source of protein. I use lot of chicken breast, lean chicken breast, cottage cheese, eggs on daily basis, cottage cheese, mozzarella cheese. So now for veg people, you guys can include cheese into your diet because they are also very high in protein. You can include Greek yogurt into your diet, again very high in protein. Cottage cheese, mozzarella cheese, any form of cheese. But again, थोड़ा conscious रहें कि आप quantity कितनी add कर रहे हैं because they are also, some of the cheese are also very high in fat. A very quick recipe I'm going to drop here. 70 to 100 grams of cottage cheese, 7 to 100 grams of Greek yogurt, add some honey, little bit of fruit of whatever your choice, probably strawberries or even mango, blueberries, a very small portion, and you have a very high protein smoothie, around 20 to 25 grams of protein there for you. Moving on next to vegetables and fruits. I always have a lot of fruits in my fridge. My favorite ones are apples, strawberries, blueberries. That's what I eat for my breakfast. Also pineapple, guys. It's a very important food. Always include it in your diet. And mango. जब भी मुझे sugar craving होती है, बहुत छोटा सा portion मैं mango का भी ले लेती हूँ. So mushrooms, omelette के अंदर mushrooms, direct fiber added. Spinach, the same thing. Lot of iron, lot of fiber added to your omelette or breakfast. Bell peppers. Vegetables खाने मुझे ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं है. Very limited amount of vegetables I like. I like bell peppers, all sort of colors. I like cauliflower. I like carrot, and that's about it. ये मैं ज़्यादातर यही vegetables खाती हूँ. Grilled eggplant मुझे बहुत पसंद है. Charcoal grilled eggplant. That's the only vegetables I consume. Also in salads I take cucumbers, tomato, and onion. Those are another vegetables that I always include in my food. Now talking about the next part, my favorite part, snacking. I love snacking. I think मैं हमेशा वेट गेन करती हूँ सिर्फ स्नैकिंग की वजह से. मैं वेट लॉस नहीं कर सकती हूँ बिकॉज मैं अपने स्नैक्स को अच्छे से कंट्रोल या ट्रैक नहीं करती हूँ. नाउ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट गाइज कि आपके स्नैक्स कैसे होने चाहिए, बट डोंट गो फॉर दीज स्नैक्स. A big no. These are processed carbs. Processed foods, as I explained earlier, जो भी सामान पैकेट में आता है खरीदना बंद कर दो, कम कर दो. अगर बंद नहीं कर सकते कम कर दो, बट अवॉइड बाइंग पैक्ड आइटम्स. दैट मीन्स दे आर मेड इन फैक्ट्री. कुछ भी चीज़ फैक्ट्री में बनती है, मेड विद वेजिटेबल ऑयल्स, बैड ऑयल्स, आई डोंट नो. दीज डेज यू कांट ट्रस्ट एनी सोर्सेज, सो जस्ट अवॉइड बाइंग. होल फूड खरीदें जो आप खुद घर पे ज़ीरो से बनाएंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल popcorn, one of my favorite snacks during weight loss journey is because 50 grams popcorn ले लें आप. Either you dry roast it or you can add ghee, which is another good source of fat. You should always have good fats also. Another good source of fat is avocados, nuts, seeds. So you can dry roast it. Quantity is huge when you make popcorn. You can just snack on it when you're watching TV. That's what I love doing. Usme very high in complex carbs and very high in fiber. So it's a very healthy snack. But again, just be conscious about how much you're taking. Another one of my favorite is makhane, fox nuts. There you go. I have 2 more packets in the pantry. So I always have these in stock. But be very conscious of eating them because they are a little bit higher on calories because they have high amount of fat. Another good source of fat. Dry roast it or add a little bit of ghee and then you roast it. It's an amazing snack with a lot of complex carb, protein, and good amount of fat there for you. The other snack which I would recommend is edamame. Very good source of protein for all the veg people out there. Edamame definitely include into your diet. I usually bring fresh edamame and then you steam it. After that, roast it in ghee, just half a tablespoon of ghee, and then you roast 100 grams of edamame in that. And just add sea salt. It's a very healthy snack. But this I got just whenever I'm in hurry on the go. Roasted edamame. It's 200 calories with 23 grams of protein and 7 grams of fiber. So, and in this packet there are 2 portions. Again, you have to be always very careful about the portion, not to eat the entire pack in one go. वो तो एक meal की calories आ गई. So always be conscious about your portions. Now I'm going to also talk about my sugar cravings, जो हम बहुत लोगों को होती है. जब मुझे sugar craving होती है, as I said, I either take mango. I have these nut bars. I take these nut bars. I'll just take Greek yogurt. I'll add some maple syrup, add some strawberries, and you have a healthy dessert. बट मैं हमेशा ये बोलती हूँ कि अगर आपको कोई चीज़ बहुत खानी पसंद है, आप प्लीज़ उसको अपनी डाइट में से कम्प्लीटली एलिमिनेट ना करें, बिकॉज दैट मेक्स योर फिटनेस जर्नी वेरी बोरिंग एंड वेरी डिप्रेसिंग, एंड दैट विल मेक यू क्विट इट वेरी फास्ट. सो फॉर मी, आई लव ईटिंग चॉकलेट्स. These are almost empty because I think there's only one piece left in that. I eat it every day after my dinner. I eat 1 or even 2. But again, you have to be very conscious about your portions. Don't eliminate your favorite foods. You can reduce them. You can have them less often than having these whole foods. Always try to buy whole foods and not packed items. Be very careful. आप जो grocery list में आप लेते हो वो डिस्क्राइब करता है कि आपकी फिटनेस जर्नी कैसी होने वाली है. सो इफ़ यू आर मोर टूवर्ड्स दीज काइंड ऑफ फूड्स, यू आर गोइंग टू हैव अ वेरी हेल्दी एंड फिट लाइफ स्टाइल. इफ़ यू आर मोर टूवर्ड्स द प्रोसेस फूड, यू आर गोइंग टू हैव लॉट ऑफ issues with diabetes, you're going to have cholesterol issues, a lot of issues, and obviously you'll not get all your nutritions from your processed food. So always focus on buying whole foods. Now after this, I'm going to make a very quick recipe for my lunch because I'm super hungry. मुझे बहुत भूख लग रही है. I'm going to make a very quick chicken and avocado wrap. The whole time it takes is like 15 minutes in chopping, cooking and putting it together. So let's get into cooking. So you need whole wheat tortilla bread, you need chicken breast, onion, tomato, avocado and bell pepper. Any color will work fine. Okay, look who's here now. So guys, let's get back to cooking. Take a pan, put olive oil, bell peppers and onion, give it a mix. I also added ginger garlic paste to it just to give some extra flavor. And then you can add salt, cumin powder and garam masala. Let it cook for 5 minutes and you're good to remove it from the heat. And in the same pan, add oil and your chicken. And then you add the spices, that is salt, turmeric and red chili powder. Let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes on medium heat and your chicken is good to go. Now let's put it all together. So here we are with my favorite chicken avocado wrap, which is not only tasty but very high in protein. I'm going to put all the macros here for you guys to get an idea. And I would request you guys to try this recipe and mention in the comments what you think about it. And I'm going to finish my lunch very fast because I'm hungry and I probably will eat the same thing for my dinner. So let's finish this and head to work. That's my restaurant. We serve Iranian food. So guys, it's 7 p.m. I just left work. Sun is setting. It's the golden hour, hence the glow. I'm gonna head home, spend some time with my toddler, repeat my lunch for dinner as well, watch TV for an hour or so, and then go to bed. Usually that's my day. And this was a video about my fat loss journey update week 4. Initially the fat loss journey was supposed to be around 6 weeks, but I think I'm gonna make it 8 weeks, so I'm gonna make another update video after 4 weeks. I get a lot of queries even to make videos about weight gain, so my next video is going to be about calorie calculation, about how to calculate your calorie deficit, how to calculate your calorie surplus, also the foods that can help you with weight loss, the foods that can help you with weight gain, to help more people with their fitness journeys. And I will put up a notification also on my Instagram stories whenever the video is up on YouTube, but you can also hit the bell icon below so that you get notification whenever I post my next video. And guys, till then, try to live a fit and happy, healthy life. Bye.